Good afternoon. Welcome to Option Center. It is Wednesday, 3/2/22. Welcome, everybody. If you're new here, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that Option Center logo, and subscribe. We're going to go over NVDA today on multiple time frames. Check it out. It's one of my official trades for my IRA. I'm also in it in my short term right now, looking for to sell some options as well. So, okay. First, we're going to get some color on the market. So we're going to check this out. ES on the monthly, still struggling haven't really contacted that 8 EMA, but really need to get above there to get bullish. But we do have a great candle so far from this move today. Let's go down to the weekly. Weekly time frame broke down from this ascending wedge and broke down. We are underneath just now. We came down to this 4250 area. It's been really important as resistance here, resistance, and then became support here as well, and again support for this week. Now notice that you get huge wicks underneath there. As long as it closes above there, it did not break support. It wicked through. The volatility is insane right now. So we are pushing up on the week. Price action has reached that 50-week moving average once again. So gonna force a little bit more buying to get over there. It's going to be resistance, and we're looking at the 8 EMA right above there. So this is a rising 50-week moving average. I don't suppose this should be too harsh on. We should be able to get over it by the end of this week. We had an inside week up. So far, we're above it. Just holding. We need to close above this 43.91 area to be to start getting bullish on the weekly time frame. And we found resistance at the MACD. Let's go down to the daily. Daily trend is our friend, and now what candle today, still just testing the overnight highs from yesterday, but getting over this important resistance, and that was about 43.60 or 70 area. Looks like we may, unless something changes, we may close above that. That would be really bullish, and we're talking about consolidation for 3 days now, just now getting out of it. So looking at our longs are working well. Sticking with the long arrow, we're looking for a target up at 4,700. We'll have to do that day by day. Anything could change anytime. Let's go over to NVIDIA. Here's what we're here for. Let's go up to the monthly time frame. Start from the top down so we can get an eagle-eye view of what's happened. Broke from this ascending triangle long ago and has not looked back since. We have a red inside month candle right now. And just like the ES fighting with this 8 EMA, it's really important. This is a trending indicator or moving average. So we're just on it right now. Really need to close above it for the month, but we just started this month. So we'll keep an eye on what's happening. Let's go down to the weekly. On the week, came down to that 382 for a natural wave 4 area, and also tested the 50-week moving average. So pushed off of that twice, made a double bottom, and now is testing the 8-week EMA. Really need to get over that again to start bending that EMA to the upside and start trending on top of it. So right now, we have to be cautious until we actually close above it, and then we have all the other simple moving averages on the weekly moving to the upside. On the daily. Daily trend is our friend. All right, we have this triangulation here. Really, we could take that line off, but it's working as support right now anyway, so we're going to keep it on for right now. We came down for a wave 4 and a WXY, and just like the overall market, we could still be in a complex correction. I would expect with the double bottom here to at least come up to test new highs. That doesn't mean it has to get all the way up to 350. Testing new highs means it could be at 325, getting up here and trying to test that area up top. But so this, starting off with that huge engulfing candle, and then a little bit of follow through. We pulled back to the 386. Slight pullback, and now holding this trend line once again. Just not quite out of this inside day yet, but if we get a close here, that's going to be over the 8 EMA, and that's going to be bullish in itself. So looking somewhat constructive, and then we have the 20 right above. At this point, it looks like we're going to start targeting right in this area for at least to test this downtrend line and the 50-day moving average above that. And we really have to, we got some things to go through, but we're really starting to get some momentum at that time. You'll see the resistance points, and we'll revisit this. Again, the MACD is starting to cross up. It's in the bear territory. RSI is at a 50. So we don't have quite that momentum yet, but we will if we start getting up in these territories. We'll be looking a little bit more confidence for the upside. All right, so first things first, we got to get out of this inside day. And then hopefully maybe we'll get a gap up tomorrow or so to get over any resistance. That's the easy way to do it. Otherwise, we need a little bit more progress from the bulls. Okay, that's it, you guys. Thinking bullish on NVDA. Set your alerts. If you want to get our targets and alerts, triggers for my IRA, join the Patreon. Tier 2. It's only $10 a month. All right. Thanks for joining us here at Option Center. Have a wonderful day.